Hey YouTube, Banartey here, and if you're new here, hi, hello, welcome. My name is Bria, nice to meet you, and today I'm taking y'all along with me for my 18th birthday and a little travel vlog. Hopefully enjoy and stay tuned. YouTube, Banartey here, and today I'm back with another YouTube video. In today's video, I'm going to be taking y'all along with me for my birthday celebration. So yeah, hope you guys stay tuned and enjoy the video. If you do, don't forget to hit that like button down below and the subscribe button as well. And if you have time, you can get at me on Instagram because that's where all the looks, fits, everything like that go. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy. Okay y'all, so I just got back from basketball practice this morning at it was 8:30 practice. It is currently 10:30. I'm about to take a shower and then start getting ready. And I'm super excited. I know I didn't film everything with preparation and stuff because it's been really busy for me, but I will be trying to film as much as possible tonight. So yeah.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not
Threw away your love letters. I thought it make me feel better. I finally got you out my bed, but I still can't get you out my head.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bria. Happy birthday to you.
Go shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up, cause that's your birthday. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a buzz. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're into getting rough. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bug. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a buzz. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug.
I just wanted to say happy birthday to such an icon. You are great. You deserve everything good under the sun. And may God bless you with many, many more. Kiss the boys for me. Anyways, it's birthday.
Thank you guys for staying tuned in this video, and yeah, I'm probably gonna end up combining this like video with something else because I know I didn't really get to film a lot. So yeah, but hopefully you guys still enjoyed.
I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you and only you. Yeah, I got one Virgil, got one, and that there's the only two, man. How many times have I shown and proved, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Okay, soon as you give them your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they want to know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay.
You should be straight up lying to the nigga. You be like, oh, baby, this nigga so.
Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Hey.
Do this all the time. This ain't no surprise. Every other night I know the movie.